How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Very excited episode. I have a package right here. I already opened it, of course, but I'm really excited to work with this company. They've been amazing, and they have really cool products. Let me show you what I have. Okay, so in this episode, again, like on one of my previous episodes, Auxito LED light. Link is gonna be in the description. They have really cool products. Last time I did the 9007 LEDs for the 2008 Ford Ranger. They work amazing. They don't have fan, so you don't have a lot of noise with those LEDs, and they work really great. They're really bright, and recommendation is to use obviously a projector when you put in those lights because you might blind the oncoming traffic. But we did the installation, everything went well, so I'm really happy about those. In this package I have the next setup. Once again, Auxito, thanks to them, we're gonna make this episode possible, and this is the new setup. I'm gonna put these ones on my Accord right now just to check them out, but I'm waiting on Resistors and I'm gonna put them on the RAV4. But on this one, I'm gonna try them on the Accord, and I know they're gonna be really good, really bright. This is 7443. I can tell you right now that this one, it feels really strong, really solid. It's not like those two pieces, they always came loose and they always go bad. This one has 6 cheap LEDs on one side and another 6 cheap LEDs on the other. And hope I'm gonna try them on. And this one is non-polarity LED again, so I'm gonna put it on the brake light of my Accord. I haven't put any LEDs on the RAV4 on the rear, so this is gonna be the next setup. Next one, we have these new LEDs, and these ones are gonna go on the fog lights. Let me open this package. Once again, this feels really strong. They're heavy. This is my fog lights. This is gonna be the H11s for my fog lights on the Accord. The current setup that I have, if you guys remember, I put some LEDs that they're white and amber. You turn them on, they're white, and you turn them off and back on, and they turn amber. The problem with those is that when I turn them on, sometimes one is white and the other one is amber, and sometimes they start really good and sometimes they're different. So that's a lot of problem. I don't like to all the time turn on my fog lights and go and see if they have the same color. So when I keep rid of it, and instead when I put this one has 3 LEDs on one side and 3 on the other. They feel really solid, really good. And again, thanks to Auxito for providing me with these LEDs for the fog lights. Now, the other ones that I have is gonna be this. This is the 9005 LEDs, and these ones are really good as well. No fans, which is really convenient. It's really good because you're not gonna have all that noise under your hood when you have LEDs with fans. No fans. This is a very good, very strong aluminum. All the heat is gonna dissipate from here. That's why it has all these cutouts, and heat is gonna be dissipating. This is 9005, so this is gonna be the high beam for my Accord, which is really good. I'm gonna use these ones, and maybe I'm gonna ask Auxito to provide me with some yellow ones for the high beam, because I wanna run later on a yellow high beams. So, but these ones, they're gonna do the job just right. If you're interested on getting these LEDs, they're gonna be in the description, so you can click there and directly it's gonna take you to Auxito on Amazon. And the same thing like 9007, you have a little screw right here in case that you need to move around your LED. Connector is for the 9005. So thanks again, Auxito, for these amazing LEDs. I'm not gonna put these ones on this episode just because I'm working on the headlights for the giveaway. So these ones, they're gonna be on the headlights once I put them on the car and I do the restoration because they're really yellow. Then I need to work on those headlights. So in this episode I'm gonna try these ones. In the next episode I'm gonna do the installation of the new headlights, and I'm gonna put these ones on the fog lights and these ones for the high beam. So I'm really excited about this because this new setup is gonna be my setup, of course, once I get my new headlights done, because I'm working right now on the giveaway ones. So let me show you. I have the new headlights here for the giveaway. So unfortunately I was doing this morning another episode, so I still have the box right here for the 9007 for the Ford Ranger bulbs. So really good LEDs. If you haven't checked that episode, I'm gonna put it right here so you can go and see it when I did the installation. Let's remove the current setup that I have, and let's put some Auxito LEDs. Let's turn the lights on and let's see how bright they are. If you see it right there, I like them. I like them a lot. Let me press on the brakes to see how they look with the brakes on. Okay, they work really good, guys. Let me put them on the car. So there you have it. That's how you install Auxito 7443 LEDs on your car. Link is gonna be in the description so you can get those. Okay, we are in the back of the RAV4, and it's I know that I was working on one of my previous episodes on the RAV4. Somebody mentioned that there is no way that you can put LEDs on the brake lights for the RAV4, and I didn't pay a lot of attention to that comment somebody makes, but I don't know why. I don't know why they make that comment. So let's remove these two bolts. Let's pull the brake light assembly, and then let's see what he was talking about. 10mm bolts, remove them right here on the back. So let's just pull the headlight assembly. You just have to pull it, came right up. So I know why that person was saying that there is no way to put LEDs on the back. Probably light is gonna be on the dash saying that you don't have a brake light, because we know the LEDs use less energy. So probably if we put resistors, we're not gonna have a lot of room. So let's try the LED on these ones. I'm curious to see how they're gonna work. Remember not to grab the bulbs with your bare hands. Let's grab the Auxito. Okay, now it's on. Let's turn on the lights. Haha. We're gonna put them on and we're gonna do the installation to see the difference between that one and the regular bulb. So there you have it, guys. So yes, it's gonna be difficult to put resistors in there, but we're gonna make it happen. To be honest, I think we do have room in there for the resistor. So I'm gonna see. But now we have the LED. Let me turn on the light and see how they look. I know they're gonna look amazing. Boom. I know it's really bright right now. You cannot see the full effect of the LED, but let's go see the other one. You see, regular, just regular halogen bulb. Okay, so we have here the stock one, stock halogen bulb, and on this side we have the LED. If you can see, it looks red, pure red. The other one looks kind of orange. You see the difference? But I'm curious to see if any lights are gonna be on once I put the other LED. So I'm gonna press on the brakes and we'll see the difference. Press on the brakes. Let go. Again. Let go. Again. Let go. Alright, you're good. You're good. You're so annoying. Hold on. Stay there, stay there. Alright, press on it. Let go. Press on it. Let go. Alright, you're good now. Hold on. Wait. Do it again. Let go. Again. Let go. You're good. You guys know when I changed the LEDs on my Accord, it was telling me right on the corner my lights, something's going on with my brake lights. But on the RAV4, it's kind of convenient. It doesn't tell you anything. So for that person who said that it was impossible to put LEDs on the RAV4 on the rear, well, I guess you was wrong. Now, if I put turn signals, I know they're gonna be blinking fast. But there is a lot of options out there with no resistor required LEDs for the turn signals, so I'm gonna look for those. But in the meantime, I'm loving these LEDs, guys. No resistor required. So you see me doing the installation really easy. 2 bolts, just pull the tail light until you remove it, and then just plug in the new bolt. How easy it is and how convenient. Okay guys, so there you have it. New LEDs are installed on the car. This is pure red. It looks better. I know it doesn't do justice what you see on camera, but what I see right now is just beautiful. It's amazing. There you have it, Auxito. Check them on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description. So if you wanna change the LEDs on your RAV4, you're not gonna have any lights on the dash indicating that something's wrong with your tail lights, with your brake lights. So you can put LEDs without resistors on this one. But I don't know with other lights, but with the Auxito light, it works pretty well. So there you have it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.